Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, like, ask me any questions. I've been helping a lot of people at the moment. Today we're going to cook one of our house specials. It's a really tasty dish. Murgana Peri Peri we've called it. Not something you'll find in a usual curry house. So what you need is 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of spiced mince meat, which I've shown you how to do, a tablespoon of onions and peppers, Bhuna style, so cut finely. Again, I've shown you how to do this. 2 sprinkles of coriander, 5 to 6 pieces of chicken tikka, 2 teaspoons of our desi style, which is mixed powder, which is just mixed powder, half a pint of base gravy. That's all you should need, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get going. So we've just got our spiced mince meat in here. Just going to put the oil. Before anything, you put the oil and then you just let the mincemeat just break it up. I've shown you how to make this spiced mincemeat. It should all be down below on my descriptions. We'll have a link to exactly how to make the chicken tikka, the spiced mincemeat. So yeah, we're just going to let that cook for a little bit. It's been a couple of minutes and I'm just breaking up the minced meat. So this is our Bhuna style onions, cut really finely. And now let that cook in. The onions should caramelise along with the minced meat. So it's been a couple of minutes now. The onions caramelised really nicely. The minced meat's gone very, very fine. And then we've got our tomato puree. Just going to add that to it. And then we have our chicken tikka. So we've just added the chicken tikka. Desi style mixed powder. Just put the gas low now and let the spice marinate with the keema, with the chicken tikka. So yeah, it's been a few minutes now and the spice is infused in on low gas setting. It's infused into the keema, the mincemeat, the chicken now, and then you're ready to add the base gravy now. Now you can put the gas up, let the sauce cook in, let the base gravy cook in with the keema and So you just, every now and then, give it a nice stir, let it all really infuse in. The sauce will thicken more. So after a few minutes, as you can see, that's bubbled up, really nice, and that's done. Just towards the end, just sprinkle a bit of coriander, let that cook in. Not too long, let it cook in a little bit. It's ready to come down. Is that there? And then just to give it a little bit of colour, just going to add a slice of cucumber, a red onion, a red pepper and a green pepper, and a slight bit of coriander on top. And there you have it guys, our house special Murgana Peri Peri.